Okay, hi everyone. Just got back from down the street. I was out shopping across this little old battery charger in the scrapyard. It's a Replex junior charger. It's rated at 230 volts input, 50 hertz, and it has, I think that's a model number there. We've got fast and slow setting, 6 and 12 volts, and the ampere gauge goes from a positive value, or 0 to a positive value, and 0 to a negative value, which is why I was interested in it the most. So obviously somebody's tried to repair it. They've put a new lead on with a modern wiring code. So let's whip the back off and see how it works. If I can get it going, we'll do a few tests with it as well. Maybe charge an accumulator and do a galvanic test. But that'll be later on down the road. For now, let's just have a look inside him. Unfortunately, there's only 2 screws holding it together, but that's alright. For now, I'm sure I'll find some more. So it looks like the top comes away from the base. So three holding it together. And what do we have inside? So we've got a large selenium rectifier, wound to 6 and 12 volt. So the 6 looks like the 6 and 12 volt setting is obtained by tapping into either one of the rectifiers. The ammeter is across the output there, and the fast and slow setting has been removed. Somebody's hacked at it. So the fast and slow, looks like the fast and slow setting is just simply a wire wound air core resistor. So either put that in line or not. But somebody's cut it out altogether. So I would suggest that maybe, oh no, it's not blown, it feels fine. But that might be why this is connected here. So yeah, there you go, just a big ass big selenium rectifier. So we'll do a quick diode test on it. That's one side. That's the other side. We've got 271 volts in one, or 0.271 in one direction. Don't know whether you can see that or not actually. And then 0.206 in the other. But is it rectifying? So if we go from center post to there, that shows me that it's rectifying to there. Seems to be all good. Turn the power wire over, and we got 0.12 and 0.11. Seems fine. That rectifier is fine, so it will go. Excellent. All good. Just need to wire in that fast and slow setting again. Obviously it's a current clamp, just through a heater coil. Basically that's all that is. A large heater, or a large resistor. Cool. Okay, I've spent the afternoon repairing and fixing all the things that had been done to this. The 6-volt circuit had been hardwired in, oh not hardwired, the 12-volt circuit had been just hardwired in. The switch that used to switch between 6 and 12 had been removed, and the high and low circuit had also been removed. I've repaired it all, replaced the high-low circuit. That's actually on the AC, low voltage AC side, so that's a reactor. That's a piece of thick nichrome wound in a coil, air core coil, and that would be the same reactive capacitance as the primary and the core, and so that would clamp the current effectively and efficiently without it actually heating up and developing eddy currents. This is not a selenium rectifier. I thought it was, but you can see down maybe between the plates, or maybe not. Let me get another light source. This other light source, you can possibly see down between the plates there's another set of plates between the main fins. That means this is a zinc carbide rectifier, I think, not a selenium plate rectifier, because those other plates are not connected to the larger plates where the AC energy comes in. AC in this side and this side, and then DC out, these positive here and negative in the center. What else is there to say? The transformer tested okay. It's a Trimax transformer, which are not too bad. These transformers are not. What else? I had to replace one of the switches. Unfortunately, I had a go at repairing the original. I had another switch somewhere, and in an old thing that I had, and tried to repair the switch, but couldn't get it to work. So now we have up and down instead of side to side, which is a bit unfortunate, but that's alright. And there's no off on, it's just unplug it. So let's hook it up and see what it does.